Friends, have you ever thought how thrilling the journey of a 1,000 baht note is? From a simple cotton field all the way to your hand. From the Bavarian Alps to Bangkok, let's watch the story of the world's most advanced banknote today. Let me start with a tiny secret. Every single 1,000 baht note begins its life as a plant. Yes, a plant. Specifically, premium long staple cotton grown in sun-drenched fields. That cotton fiber is incredibly strong and flexible, exactly why the Bank of Thailand chose it. They needed a banknote that could survive Thailand's heat and humidity without falling apart. But before we dive into the cotton fields of Bavaria and the incredible paper-making process, let me first show you how a blank sheet of this special cotton paper transforms into the finished note you can hold. Because the printing part is where the magic really happens. Once the specially made cotton paper sheets arrive at the note printing works in Bangkok, the first thing that happens is offset printing. Think of this as laying down the foundation. Giant sheet-fed presses take those beautiful cream-white cotton sheets and print the background on both sides at the same time. The dominant colors on the 1,000 baht note are dark brown and warm orange. The press uses something called rainbow printing. Different ink fountains blend together seamlessly, creating smooth color transitions that a normal photocopier can never properly reproduce. Also at this stage, they print partial images of the Royal Garuda emblem on the front and back. When you later hold the finished note up to light, those two halves align perfectly to form one complete Garuda. That's called a see-through register, a beautiful anti-counterfeiting feature. After offset, the sheets move to the Spark orbital printing station. This is where things get seriously cool. Thailand had never used this technology on a banknote before. Two elements on the front receive a special magnetic ink. One is the Royal Garuda in the upper right. The other is a 16-petaled lotus flower containing the number 1,000, located right next to the king's portrait. When you tilt the note, both of these elements do something almost magical. They shift from gold to green, and at the same time, three-dimensional circles appear to move through the design. It's like a tiny dance. This is called optically variable magnetic ink, and counterfeiters simply cannot copy it. The Bank of Thailand was the first in the country to use this, and it became a major reason why the note won that international award. Now comes the part you can actually feel. Intaglio printing. This is the oldest and most respected printing method for banknotes. A deeply engraved steel plate holds the portrait of His Majesty King Maha Vajiralongkorn in his Royal Thai Air Force uniform. It also holds the royal cipher, the denomination text, and the signature panels.
It doesn't match the reference.
The plate is covered in thick ink, and then a doctor blade wipes the surface clean, leaving ink only in the deep grooves. Then enormous pressure pushes the cotton paper into those grooves. When the paper pulls away, the ink stays on the surface as raised ridges. Next, the sheets go to the serial number station. Each note receives a unique vertical red serial number printed along the right side. The numbers combine Roman letters and Arabic numerals, and every single one is logged in a production database. After that, ultraviolet inks are applied to certain areas. Under normal light, these inks are invisible, but shine a UV lamp on the note, and suddenly hidden patterns glow to life. And remember those red and blue security fibers we added to the cotton paper way back at the beginning? They also fluoresce under UV, confirming the paper is genuine. Before any sheet is allowed to become a finished note, it must pass a comprehensive inspection. An automated machine scans every single note position on every sheet. It checks the watermark, the galaxy thread, both spark elements, the intaglio depth, the see-through register, the serial numbers, and the UV patterns. If any single parameter is off, that note position gets an automatic rejection mark. Only sheets that pass every test move forward. Now comes the moment of birth. The approved sheets enter precision guillotine cutting machines. The blades descend on stacks of sheets, cutting them into individual notes exactly 162 millimeters wide and 72 millimeters high. For the first time, you see complete 1,000 baht notes. Stacks of them. The dark brown King Vajiralongkorn portrait on one side, and on the other side, the beautiful reverse design, showing King Bhumibol Rama IX on the left, and King Vajiralongkorn Rama X on the right. Father and son, side by side, representing the continuity of Thailand's monarchy. The cut notes then go through high-speed sorting machines.
Item confirmed.
Each note is inspected in under 1 second, and any note that was marked for rejection is automatically diverted. The approved notes flow into counting machines, and then into automatic banders that strap groups of 100 notes together with official Bank of Thailand paper bands. 10 of those bundles make 1 brick. That is 1,000 notes, or 1 million baht. Those bricks are sealed in tamper-evident packaging and loaded into metal transfer cases. Bank of Thailand representatives sign off on the handover, and armoured vehicles carry the finished currency to the central bank's headquarters on Samsen Road in Bangkok. Thailand's 1,000 baht banknote journey begins with premium long staple cotton, which is shipped to the famous Luisenthal paper mill in Bavaria, Germany. Upon arrival, technicians strictly inspect every bale to ensure it meets the Bank of Thailand's high standards. The cotton is thoroughly cleaned and processed in giant machines called Hollander beaters. These machines fray the cotton fibers, creating microscopic hairs that interlock through hydrogen bonding, giving the finished banknote its signature strength and crisp texture. During this liquid stage, security chemicals, optical brighteners, and red and blue UV fluorescent fibers are mixed directly into the pulp. As the mixture flows onto a moving screen, a special dandy roll presses into the wet paper. This roll doesn't use ink. Instead, it physically moves the cotton fibers to create the king's portrait as a permanent multi-tonal watermark. Simultaneously, the advanced Galaxy security thread is embedded, which shifts color from gold to green when tilted. Finally, the wet paper is pressed, dried with steam, and smoothed by heavy rollers. After a high-resolution camera inspection, the master reels are cut into sheets and securely transported to Bangkok. From a cotton field to a Bavarian mill, every note is a masterpiece of security and trust.